So hi everyone, I'm here in Labuan, Malaysia. Yesterday I took a ferry from Brunei, and today I was supposed to go out and check out some popular spots here in Labuan, but unfortunately it's raining right now. During our Borneo trip last August, I traveled from Brunei to Labuan by ferry. I stayed there for a night before continuing my journey to Kota Kinabalu. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I spent less than 24 hours in Labuan. From the ferry terminal, I walked for 10 minutes to Mariner Hotel. Before I share what I did in Labuan, let me give you a room tour first. I booked this hotel in booking.com. So this is a standard queen room. It is good for two, but I was alone. My brother and his friend had their own itinerary. I paid 104 Malaysian ringgit, which is about 1,200 pesos, and I also paid 10 ringgit for the tourism tax. It was a nice room, the bed was comfortable, and the room was clean. It has a mini ref, and it also comes with a free breakfast. The primary reason I booked it is that it has a good location. If you want to check out this hotel, you can click on the link in the video description. After freshening up in the hotel, I walked to SMJ Money Changer to exchange dollars to ringgit. Then, while I was looking for a place to eat, I passed by Laman Victoria. A few meters from the park, I found this restaurant where I ordered Tessie Special and Roti Telur Bawang. So the guy told me telur means egg and bawang is onion. So that's my drink, the Tessie Special. And this is the roti. It was very tasty and it has the dipping sauce. Next, I made my way to the beach to watch the sunset, and on my way there, I passed by this place. It is called Dataran Labuan. It is a huge field with a grandstand. I didn't find the beach, instead I found a port. This place was very peaceful. So it wasn't that dark yet, so I thought I had enough time to walk to Labuan Clock Tower, but on my way there, it started to drizzle. I had no choice but to take a detour. I went to the nearby mall instead. It is called Kompleks Ujana, Kewangan. It is very different from the malls that I'm used to in the Philippines. This mall has a lot of duty-free shops. In case you didn't know, Labuan is a free port, meaning there are no import or export duties on traded goods. That's why chocolates, wines, liquor, cigarettes, and many more are very cheap here. But I didn't shop because I didn't want to carry a lot of stuff. Next, I went to Mawilla Yacht Club restaurant for dinner. This place was recommended by the Filipina I met at the Money Changer. I didn't find anything special in the place, probably because it was already dark. The view in the restaurant must be nice during daytime. So I ordered tom yum soup, peanuts that I ate while waiting, and of course, Coke. The soup wasn't that good and it wasn't bad either. It's nothing special really. I went to bed early that night because my plan was to wake up early and go sightseeing. But when I woke up, it was raining. I had no choice but to eat breakfast. My original plan was that I'll go sightseeing first and then eat breakfast after. That way, I don't need to eat lunch anymore. But the rain ruined my plans. Rain stopped at around 10. I only had less than 2 hours left before hotel checkout. I decided to go to Labuan International Sea Sports Complex as it was just near the hotel. It is where the Museum Marine is located and it is close to the Labuan Clock Tower. There is no entrance fee at the Museum Marine, you just need to register. I think it is a cool place to bring kids because there are a lot of aquariums where they can see different types of fishes and a lot of information about marine animals. So this is the Labuan Clock Tower. It is an exact replica of the original clock tower built in 1906. After checking out at the hotel, I decided to take a cab to the ferry terminal. I wasn't sure of the schedule of the speedboat to Menumbok, but I thought that maybe there is a 1 p.m. trip and I tried to catch it. When I arrived at the ferry terminal, I had a little misadventure. I asked her to buy the ferry ticket to Menumbok and they told me it is at the other building. So I walked and queued to buy a ticket. Good thing I haven't paid yet. I asked the lady first how long to get to Menumbok just to be sure and she told me it is 2 hours. I said I thought it was less than 40 minutes and she said, oh, you need to take the speedboat for that. I asked her to buy the ticket and she told me it is on the other building. So I had to walk back again to where I first went. It was actually my fault too because I said ferry and not speedboat. Anyway, when I got at the ticketing office, I was told that the next trip is boarding at 2 o'clock and departing at 2:50. So I bought a ticket and because I still had a lot of time, I decided to have lunch at the restaurant near the port. So this is what I had for lunch. I had roti again and chicken biryani. Both were very tasty. There are a lot of duty-free shops at the ferry terminal. So while waiting for the boarding announcement, I decided to check out one of the shops and I actually bought some chocolates. So in case you were wondering, the ticket to Menumbok costs 18.3 ringgit and you can buy online at labuanpay.my. So at 2 o'clock, they announced that we are ready for boarding already. But inside, we had to pass by immigration again as we were entering Sabah. There were life jackets inside the speedboat and the trip was really fast. It was like 20 minutes only and we already reached Menumbok. On my way out, I was trying to figure out how to get to the bus station when I saw the old man that I had a chat with when we were waiting for departure. He was on his motorbike and he came back to tell me where the minibuses to Kota Kinabalu are. They're actually just outside the port. He was so nice that he even talked to the driver for me. The fare to Kota Kinabalu is 35 ringgit. So this concludes my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to give a thumbs up to this video. Bye!